So hi everybody and welcome back to our C++ tutorial series for absolute beginners. This is video 240, and in this video I will stop with our exercise, and the reason for that is because our exercise is to bloat it up, and I included so many informations, which is not bad, but we have to concentrate on the basics again so that we can finish our basics, and this is the reason why we will stop. I hope you remember still the exercise. It was the screen linked list exercise, and yeah, I hope you finish this because you have already the skill to do it on your own, which means not that you have to include all the other features which we have not covered now, but you can use all the knowledge which we have covered so far to finish this one, and of course a little bit research on the internet if you have struggled there and here. But the good thing is, I think you can finish it, and that's a very good thing. So what we will do is we will continue with our basics. We stopped with classes, but we have not finished classes. We have covered some parts of the classes, which is, for example, how to create this class, what these access specifiers are, this private and public, and we have covered what a constructor is, and we have covered even we have covered methods, what a method is in a class, and you can put it in outside, inside, and we covered a lot of things in classes. But what we have not covered in classes, and which is a big topic, is inheritance. So we have to cover inheritance in classes, and interesting is also you can see this word inheritance is not really here as a keyword, and that's also very important to note. There are some features which is not listed here as a keyword but belongs to basic knowledge which we have to cover. Yes, that means, with other words, we have to finish all these keywords for basics, and then we cover again more words which are not listed here as keywords, which belongs to the category basics. But that's not a big problem, it's a part of classes and we will cover it. But interestingly, there is another thing which we will cover with inheritance, and there is a keyword for this, but it's only an extended part, which is virtual, for example, that will be used later in inheritance. Or there was this other class specifier which was protected, which I showed you before. When we go in classes, we have covered till now public and private. We have never talked about protected access specifier, and the reason for that is it is used with inheritance. And there is one more info which I want to give you about inheritance. In C++, people don't like inheritance too much, but it's a very important feature. We have to learn it. But the reason for that is there is another alternative to inheritance, which is called composition. We will talk about this one too, and then you have to decide what you want used later, composition or inheritance. But in many C++ situations, there is code out there which inherit a lot, so you will not avoid inheritance at all. But on your own code, like I said, you can avoid it with composition. And yeah, we have to learn inheritance. It's a very big topic and very important. All right, with that said, I won't stop here, and we will see us in the next video where we go back to the basis. And if you have any questions, like all time, you can write in the comment section. And by the way, the comment section is very nice for me, because all time, if anyone is writing a comment there, I get a notification bell in YouTube, so I can react accordingly. That's very nice and convenient for me. And yeah, with that said, I hope you can finish this exercise on your own, and I believe you can. You have already much information till now. And there is one more side note what I want to say. You realize that this video comes after almost 2 months of my last video, and the reason for that is I was ill and had other things to do, but now I'm back, and I hope you use this 2 months, almost 2 months break to improve your own, because C++ is not really a language which you learn through yeah, in one rush. You are learning it was like the keywords which we learned so far, and then you try it on your own in some projects, and you need this pause a little bit sometimes, and then you come back, and then you go on. That's a very good thing. I hope you'll use this time efficiently, or make a pause. Making a pause is also an efficient way to improve, because now we will, like I said, we go back to the basics, we will finish the basics, and we will dive into advanced stuff as well after we finish this basics. All right. So with that said, see you in the next video. Have fun, and like all time, don't give up. Bye.